Are you tired of working hard and still struggling with money despite following the traditional rules of financial success? If so, you're not alone. Many people are in the same boat, working diligently, yet finding themselves in financial predicaments. However, building wealth isn't reserved for a select few. It's a skill anyone can master. Forget the outdated notion that working hard, studying hard, and saving hard will make you rich. That mindset often leads to financial stagnation rather than prosperity. By understanding how money works and adopting the right mindset, skills, and strategies, you can break free from this cycle and build wealth from scratch. In this guide, we'll explore the secrets of money that the wealthy don't usually share. You'll learn how to set clear financial goals, understand the global economy, and make informed decisions that can lead you to financial freedom. Set clear financial goals. Defining your financial goals is the first step toward financial freedom. These goals provide direction and motivation for your financial planning and investment decisions. Start by distinguishing between short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might include creating an emergency fund or paying off credit card debt, while long-term goals could involve saving for retirement or purchasing a home. Having clear financial objectives helps you stay focused and makes it easier to track your progress. Understanding the global economy. To make informed financial decisions, it's crucial to understand how the global economy works. Think of the economy as a massive ocean filled with different players, governments, banks, businesses, and individuals, all interacting in complex ways. While it might seem like only the big players call the shots, individual actions significantly impact the economy. The way you spend, save, and invest your money influences the broader economic landscape. By recognizing your role in this vast system, you can make choices that not only benefit your personal finances, but also contribute to a healthier economy. Shifting your mindset. Building wealth starts with shifting your mindset. Traditional education often teaches us to work hard, save diligently, and avoid risks. However, these principles alone rarely lead to significant wealth. Instead, adopting a mindset that views money as a tool for growth is essential. Wealthy individuals understand that money should work for them, not the other way around. They focus on building assets that generate income and appreciate over time. This might involve investing in real estate, stocks, or starting a business. Tracking and protecting your money. Keeping track of your money is fundamental to building wealth. This involves monitoring your income, expenses, and savings. By understanding where your money goes, you can make smarter financial choices and identify areas where you can cut costs or increase earnings. Protecting your money is equally important. This means safeguarding it from financial risks like fraud, bad investments, or economic downturns. From saver to investor. Transitioning from a saver to an investor is a critical step in building wealth. Saving is important, but simply stashing cash in a savings account won't make you rich. Investing, on the other hand, allows your money to grow over time through compound interest and market appreciation. Start by understanding different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Each has its own risk and return profile. Leveraging debt and taxes. Debt and taxes are often seen as obstacles to financial success, but they can be powerful tools if used wisely. Wealthy individuals use debt strategically to finance investments that generate higher returns than the interest on the debt. This concept, known as leveraging, can accelerate wealth building. Similarly, understanding and optimizing your tax situation can save you significant amounts of money. Building a strong financial reputation. Your financial reputation, or creditworthiness, is crucial in the money world. It affects your ability to secure loans, attract investors, and get favorable interest rates. A strong financial reputation is built on healthy money habits like paying bills on time, managing debt responsibly, and maintaining a good credit score. A good financial reputation opens doors to opportunities that can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is the practice of resisting immediate rewards in favor of greater long-term benefits. This principle is key to building wealth. Successful individuals often choose the long-term path, even if it means foregoing short-term pleasures. Instead of succumbing to impulsive spending or chasing quick gains, think about how your decisions today will affect your future financial goals.